Create Liberty Bank online account. If you want to create a Liberty Bank online account, open a default web browser in a device. Search for Create Liberty Bank account online in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Open a new account. Then you'll be taken to the account opening page of the Liberty Bank. In this page, you'll select the type of account you need. For this, I have selected checking or saving account. Tap on it and further enter your password address. Tap on continue and in the next page select I would like to start a new application. And a new order of execution starts. The order goes by first your personal information, next account selection, then disclosure and funding and finally confirmation. Fill them up carefully in their respective sections and tap on continue or next in each of segments. Finally, after submitting every information, you'll have created a new Liberty Bank account. And this was everything you need to know about creating Liberty Bank online account. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.